Hello and welcome back to PC Quest. If you are planning to buy a laptop in 2025, this video will help you make the right choice. So let's get started. First, decide why you're buying the laptop. If your work is light, you don't need anything fancy. But if you edit videos, use softwares like AutoCAD, Photoshop, or play games, you might need a high-performing laptop. For simple use like browsing, MS Office or Zoom, you can go for Intel i5 or Ryzen 5. Laptops like HP 15S, Asus VivoBook 15 or Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 work well. If you do multitasking, editing or some creative work, go for Intel i7, Ryzen 7 or go for a Mac. Laptops like MacBook Air M4, Dell Inspiron series or Asus VivoBook Pro series are great for that. Get a 16GB RAM if you can. Pick a 512GB SSD for speed and space. Some laptops let you add more storage later. Always go for full HD resolution. If you're into content creation or editing, look for OLED panels or FHD Plus displays. For portability, go for a 14-inch laptop like the Asus ZenBook 14 OLED. But if you work from home or office, go for a 15.6-inch screen like the Acer Swift Go 15. Your laptops should have all essential ports. The first is USB-C for modern accessories and charging. The second is HDMI for external displays. The third is the 3.5mm jack is a must for best gaming experience. Along with performance, battery life also matters. MacBook Air M4 and Yoga Slim 7 offer 6 to 8 hours, while gaming laptops like Asus TUF F15 or MSI GF63 offer more power but 4 to 5 hours. For strong build, Asus TUF F15 is a top pick with military-grade certifications. If your budget is under 45,000, laptops like Acer Aspire 3 or Lenovo V15 are good for basic tasks. For better speed and multitasking, go for HP Pavilion, Dell Inspiron or Asus Vivo Pro in the range of 60 to 90,000. For entry-level gaming laptops, now start from around 50,000. Look for NVIDIA GTX 1650, RTX 2050 or higher. Try Acer Aspire 7, HP Victus or Asus TUF F15. You'll be able to play games like GTA 6, Elden Ring, Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield and more smoothly and on medium settings. If your budget is over 1 lakh, go for laptops with RTX 4050, 4070 or above. Asus ROG Strix, MSI Katana and Dell G16 are powerful options. Compare prices on Amazon, Flipkart and official sites. During Diwali, Independence Day and festive sales, you'll find great offers. So that's your full laptop buying guide for 2025. Fix your purpose, choose the right specs, set your budget, and buy smart. That's all from our side. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Waiting for the next video.